Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply just delete and disable your Facebook page. If you have an active page on your Facebook account, how you can simply delete it in some seconds. For this, you have to open your Facebook application in front of you. If you use application, and if you use the website, you can go to the website also. Now, as you can see, this is my account. What I can do is I will simply go on the right bottom of the screen here on my page. You can make sure that you are switched to your page, not on your profile. So this is my page setting. Here in setting, I will scroll, click on the setting option, scroll on the bottom, and here in your information setting, you will see access and control. Click on this button, click on deactivation and deletion page, and from here you can simply delete this page from this menu. After continuing everything, click on continue. Here you have to enter your profile password. After this, your page will be deleted successfully. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.